Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pinkie from Incredibox. So let's get started. To draw this cute pink sprunky, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with 2 big circles. Oops. Sometimes circles are easy and sometimes they're very hard. Okay, got 1 big circle in. I'm going to come right next to it, right here, and draw the same thing. Hopefully better this time. There. Okay, so we got 2 big circles in. Then I'm going to draw the lid. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve that goes over to the other side. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just draw a curve all the way to the other side. And then from there, we're going to come inside and draw a circle. So just imagine you're just drawing a full circle, but we're going to start right here and just follow the outside that you drew. There, and I'm just going to go ahead and quickly shade this all in. If you're not comfortable drawing these circles, you can definitely find something at home to trace if you want it to be a perfect circle. Okay, so same thing over here, but I think it looks better when it's not too perfect. Okay, and then same thing. At least that way you know it's drawn by a person, not the computer, right? If it's not too perfect. Okay, so now that we have these big eyes in, I forgot that we need to draw this little part that comes out. So right here, we're just going to pop this lash out. And same thing here. Just pop this curve out and thicken it up. There. Then from there, let's give her a smile. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve. Very mellow. And then let's see, let's come above her eye, and about right here we're just going to draw a curve, so kind of like at a slant. So same thing on the other side, about right there. Then we're going to come back to the center. So let's say we're above these brows, and say about right here I'm just going to go ahead and start with a circle for the center of her bow, so right in the middle. Then we're going to draw the loops. So we're going to come right here, so as if you're drawing a heart. So, and then come in the other side. And same thing. Over here, come in and curve. There. So now that we have that in, we can go ahead and draw the circle head. So I'm going to come right here to the center of this bow, and I'm just going to draw a curve. It comes down. So like I said, if you're not comfortable drawing this part, you can just find something at home to trace to create your circle. But I'm just going to go around and say about right here, I'm going to go around the eye. And same thing here, go around the eye. And then we're going to bring it down. So I'm just going to say about, I'm going to find my center, say about right. See how far down I want it. And so I'm going to bring it about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. It's easier for me to see since I'm drawing big. So I'm just going to draw this big curve. And let's just go ahead and draw a big curve to connect everything. There, approximate. Okay, so we have her head in. Then from there we need to draw these big bunny ears. So I'm going to come about, we're going to end about here. And I'll start right here, and we're just going to go up nice and high. Kind of like at a slant, and draw this curve and bring it down. So same thing here, we're going to end about here. And I'm just going to drag this across about right here. So I'm going to go this way on this side. Just going to drag this across and approximate the same height. And I'm going to bring it down to my point. There. Okay, so I've got the ears in. Then from there, we're pretty much done. Now we just need to draw the body. So I'm just going to the center of the eye. I'm going to come down. Same thing here. And we're just going to draw a slant, an angle line going down on both sides. So I'm not going to make mine too tall because I don't have that much vertical space. I'm just going to kind of end it about right here. Make it a little bit more slanty. Okay, and then about right there, go ahead and just connect it with a straight line going across. And of course, I'm just going to add a tiny little heart right here, very lightly, to make this my Draw So Cute Pinkie from Incredibox. I really hope you love how she turned out that helped you draw her fun and easy. And if you want me to draw more of these sprunkies, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.